Has anyone else noticed that literally every app has AI now? I swear it happened almost overnight. One day AI was something only a few people were talking about, and then suddenly every app on my phone had some kind of AI button. Every update says the same thing: introducing our brand new AI features, now powered by AI. Meet your new AI assistant. At this point, I'm honestly more surprised when an app doesn't have AI. Don't get me wrong, AI is genuinely impressive. There are plenty of useful things you can do with it, but sometimes it feels like companies are adding AI simply because everybody else is. It almost feels like every tech company woke up one morning and decided we need AI right fucking now. Google has Gemini, Microsoft has Copilot, Meta has Meta AI, Snapchat has My AI, Adobe has AI, Spotify has AI playlists, even apps that have absolutely nothing to do with AI somehow manage to add an AI feature. It's like companies are scared of being the only one without it, because if everyone else advertises AI and you don't, people might think you are actually falling behind. And that got me thinking, how many people actually use these AI features? I'm not talking about AI in general, I'm talking about the random chatbot sitting in the corner of an app you've been using for years, like Snapchat AI, Instagram AI, Meta AI. Half the time I completely forget they're even there. Sometimes it honestly feels like these companies spend months making an AI feature just for everyone to ignore it. I also think AI has become one of those words companies love putting in advertisements. Years ago everything was smart, then everything became crypto, now everything is AI. You'll see an update that literally says, now with AI. Okay, what does it actually do? Sometimes they don't even explain it. It's almost like just putting the words AI next to something is enough to make it sound more advanced. Now, to be fair, some AI features are genuinely useful, like removing objects from photos, automatically translating languages, generating subtitles, helping people edit videos, summarizing long articles, and stuff like that. Those are the things that actually save time. When AI solves a real problem, I think it's amazing. The problem isn't AI itself, it's when companies add it just so they can say they have AI. Then there are the AI features that make absolutely no sense. Sometimes I'll update an app and suddenly there's an AI button sitting in the corner. Nobody asked for it, nobody really knows what it's supposed to do, and somehow it becomes the main feature of the update. Meanwhile, the bugs people have been complaining about for months are still there. I almost feel like companies are more focused on adding AI than fixing the app itself. I honestly don't think this is because every company had the exact same idea. I think they're just copying each other. Like one company adds AI, then another one does, then another, and eventually everyone feels like they have to join in because nobody wants to look outdated. It's kind of funny because this happens all the time in tech. The second one company starts a trend, everyone else follows. At this point, I honestly don't know where it stops. I'm just waiting for my calculator to tell me it has AI, or my flashlight, or my calendar asking if it like AI to organize my week. It sounds ridiculous, but a few years ago, seeing Snapchat would have an AI chatbot would sounded ridiculous too. So honestly, nothing would surprise me anymore. I'm not saying AI is a bad thing. I actually think it's one of the biggest technological changes we've seen in years. Sure, it has its drawbacks, like using clean water for cooling, but some AI tools are genuinely useful and save people a lot of time. I just don't think every single app needs to have its own AI assistant. Sometimes I just want an app to do the one thing I downloaded it for. Maybe in a few years we'll look back and realize which AI features actually changed the way we use apps and which ones were just there because every company was trying to keep up with a trend. Anyways, thank you for watching.